What is up, good people? Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna talk about a new project which is an NFT game. It is called Police and Thief NFT Game, and what we need to do into this project is we need to mint a NFT, and the NFT this project has is a policeman and a thief, and both these NFTs has different utilities which I will talk about more into this video. I already recorded a video previously, but the sound didn't came into that video, so I couldn't show you the whole process on how I purchased the NFT. But I will do my very best into this video to explain you what I did, and I will show you my NFT in just a second. So to buy an NFT you will need loot tokens, and how many loot tokens you guys need is, can go over here. They have their status bar over here, and it shows how many loot tokens you require. So currently they require 60,000 loot tokens, which will accumulate to 1.4 or 1.5 AVAX at the time of recording this video. And I will discuss about the phase 2 of this project. They are currently going with the phase 1, and if you are watching this video earlier, like in today, tomorrow, or day after tomorrow, this project or the minting will be over, I believe, in 2 to 3 days. So if you are an early watcher of this video, you are on the safe side, because you can enter into this project and be an early adopter of this project. So it's beneficial to stick around with the channel. I will discuss more projects which have a higher profitability, and it's beneficial to be an early adopter. And the time which is going on through right now is the best time we can invest into these Web 3.0 projects. So all you gotta do is you need to have 60,000 loot tokens into your MetaMask account to get the NFT, and I will go over the basics of this game, how it's working. And all you gotta do is you can click on buy loot tokens over here. You will be taken to Trader Joe, and you can get your loot tokens from AVAX tokens. So if you type over here 60,000 loot tokens, it will give you an amount of 1.43 AVAX. This is how much AVAX you need for 60,000 loot tokens. I will consider little bit more AVAX just to cover up the fees and everything. So once you approve this transaction, you will get your 60,000 loot tokens, and you can go back. The amount that you have over here will be listed, which will be 60,000, and you can click on mint now, and it will shuffle up quite some NFTs, and you will be assigned one NFT. So what NFT you will get will be depending upon your luck, because policeman has only 10% chance of receiving by the players who are minting it, and the thief has a higher percent, and most probably you will get a thief NFT, but there would be 10% chance you will get a policeman NFT. And there would be very rare case where you will lose all your money, all your minting or the loot tokens, because the policeman in this game who already have the policeman NFT has a mechanism at the back end where policeman can steal your minting loot tokens. So you will be end up with nothing, but that happens very rarely. People usually get the thief NFT, but that can happen, and there's a 10% chance you can get a policeman. So once you're assigned a NFT, it will be over here into the haste taking. So it will be in the unstaked section over here. You can click on it, and it will say stake NFT. You can click on it, the transaction page will appear, and you can confirm the transaction, and after some time your NFT would be shifted to staked, which is, in my case, I have this NFT over here, which is a thief NFT. So what these NFT will do is, if we go on to their white paper, so they have explained everything. So your thief NFT will be earning you 10,000 loot tokens per day as per their white paper, and the 80% of those 10,000 loot tokens will be given to us, and 20% will be given to the policeman as bribe. So this is how the game is working. So out of the 80%, we are getting 8,000 loot tokens every day, and which is quite profitable. If we talk about the 8,000 loot tokens, that will make up $22 at the time of recording this video, and at the all-time highest, this project was giving out more than $200 per day. And they do have their harvesting pools that I will go through later into this video. So this is how much your thief will make. And if we go on the policeman side, so your policeman NFT would be having an alpha value which will range from 5 to 8%. So policeman will earn 20% of the loot tokens that are stolen by the thieves, and those 20% loot tokens from all the thieves are given to all the policemen. So policeman NFTs are very less into this game, so police NFT is a lot profitable, and depending upon the alpha value of your policeman, they will receive those bribe tokens. So if your alpha value is higher, you will get more bribes. If it's lower, you will get less bribes. That's how the mechanism is working at the back. So policeman also has a chance where if a new player is minting their NFT, and if that NFT gets stolen by the thief, the policeman will be getting the loot tokens as bribes too. And that this is why the policeman thief is rare and more profitable. So these are the mechanisms on how it's working at the back. And if you guys think of unstaking your NFT, so what will happen is there is a 50% chance where all your money or all your unclaimable loot tokens will be given to you in 100% format, so nothing will be given back to the game. But there is also a 50% chance when you're unstaking, the unclaimable loot tokens will all be given back to the game, and you won't be able to claim those loot tokens that your NFT gained. You will be given the initial amount back, but the unclaimed loot tokens will be given back to the game. So this is how it's working. So there is a 50% chance on unstaking it. So this is the profitability in this game, and this is how the NFTs are working. So they are currently into the phase 1. So if you participate into the phase 1, you will be securing an NFT for yourself, and there are only 50,000 NFTs into this game. So these many have been done, and this much are left. So this will be done, I believe, in 2 to 4 days max. And once this is over, so what will happen is, if we go on back to the white paper, they have written over here that for the loot token, the max supply is 5 billion loot tokens. So if the supply reaches to 2.4 billion loot tokens, after that the remaining portion out of the 5 billion will be distributed to the developers and the people who participated into this game. So the leftover amount is 2.6 billion loot tokens. If we minus 2.4 billion from 5 billion, we are left with 2.6 billion. And out of that 2.6 billion, 600 million, 2.6 billion, the 600 million loot tokens will be given to the developers, and 2 billion loot tokens will be given to the community who participated into this game. So it's beneficial to stick around and participate into these earlier 50,000 minted NFTs and earn yourself some good rewards. And they will be having a burning mechanism too. So the value of the loot tokens will be higher in the future. And in the phase 2, if you go on to the Discord and of this team, and if you go on to the FAQs, you will see that they have this over there, which states that stage 1 represents the first 50,000 police thief mints, which are gonna be over very soon. And for the stage 2, we will build a foundation of the ecosystem that have been deployed thus far. We will be releasing new and innovative features and further utility that we believe will allow the project to have continuous and increasing value that will stand the test of time. So if you guys know the NFT game, which is the chicken NFT game, that NFT game has been a lot profitable for the early adopters, and their NFTs has risen to a crazy value. They have got their NFT for 2 to 4 AVAX, and right now their NFTs are worth 16 to 17 AVAX. So there is a profitability on sticking till the very end with the loot tokens, and then there is a profitability on your NFT itself, which you can sell afterwards if you think about it, and which will be a lot higher, I believe. Not a financial advice. And if you still want to increase your profitability on a higher level, so this game has money laundry vault. If you go over here, they have different pools. So if you go over here, they have different pools such as AVAX, WAVAX, Joe, Mim, Time, and Spell. So I personally like the Mim and the Time pool. So all your claimed loot tokens after each and every day, so you will be getting 8,000 loot tokens after every day. You can claim those and place it over here into these pools, which will give you a crazy APR. So if you can see, the APR for the Mim and Time Wonderland pool is 1000 APR, more than it. So I personally like these two pools, and I will be placing my loot tokens into these pools to increase my profitability and to be on a secure side. So this is how it's working. So if you guys are thinking if it's a rug pull or not, the team who created this project is Docs, and if you can go on to their website, you will see they have built up quite some successful projects into the past, and this is another great project from their side. And the mechanics at the back are really interesting, and people are getting a lot profitability into this project. So I myself will be sticking around for a good time into this project and keep on accumulating my loot tokens and placing it into their pools and increasing my profitability. So definitely stick around with this channel, turn on your bell notification. I'll be posting, doing my very best to get you guys involved into the new projects that are coming up and to participate into the development of Web 3.0 projects. And I will bring out some more NFT games that we can enter together, and some more interesting projects that are quite profitable. And I'm gonna get my miner too, which is SC Prime XA miner, and the earnings for those miners are quite big, and I will go over the setup and the earnings for that miner too. So definitely stick around with this channel. That will do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, just let me know into the comment section. Thank you and have a great day.